Good evening to all of you. Good evening. Respected Founder President Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, respected Madam Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan, Shri Atul Chauhan, Chancellor Amity University, Shri Asim Chauhan, Chancellor Jaipur University, Major General K.J. Singh, Vice Chancellor Amity University, trustees, honored guests, heads of the institutions, faculty members, and dear students. Thanks to Amitasha, the brainchild of Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan, chairperson, values have been the most talked about subject in the university campus and schools. It has now been accepted that the path to growth and economic prosperity is through education and empowerment of women. In the face of massive illiteracy amongst the girls, it was a path-breaking initiative of Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan to stress on education of the underprivileged girls as support to the founder president's vision, India Super 2020. No doubt, a small concept on values has today become a movement. Beginning 28th January, Amity Human Values Quarter was launched, which has seen wide range of activities culminating on the chairperson's birthday today. Some of these activities are a carryover from the past. I am not going to repeat, but there are some innovations which I will like to highlight. Workshop on photography for children of Amitasha. You have just to see their beaming faces in the photograph to assess the impact if you can spare time to visit ASCO. Beautiful expressions, full of excitement. Storytelling to bedridden children in Escorts Hospital, visit to old age home and SOS homes, visit to slums to understand their problems, and a website has been created to view day-to-day activities. The programs were confined to Amity University and others in the NCR. Participation of institutions in the activities has been 1 to 5 activities, 22 institutions, 6 to 10 activities, 6 institutions, above 10 activities, 3 institutions. Institutions like AIE, ESCO, and ABS Noida conducted the largest number of activities. The initial process is always full of hurdles necessitating acceptance and removal of mental blocks. Madam, we assure you that this is a beginning and you will see that the values become the bedrock of success of Amity institutions. We are very sure that in the days and years to come, every student of Amity institutions will have a signature on values appended to his CV. Wherever practiced, we have found the students to be well-behaved, disciplined, and responsible. Ultimately, they are going to be an asset to the society where they live and the organization where they work. We hope to take this forward with greater vigor with your guidance and advice. Thank you, Madam and Founder President, sir, for showing the path. We will now take you to a visual overview of activities undertaken during this quarter. Thank you.